I love all films that start with rain. Rain, braiding a window pane, or darkening a hung-out dress, or streaming down her upturned face. One long, thundering downpour, right through the empty script and score, before the act, before the blame, before the lens pulls through the frame to where the woman sits alone, beside a silent telephone, or the dress lies ruined on the grass, or the girl walks off the overpass, and all things that flow out from that source along their fatal watercourse. However bad or overlong, such a film can do no wrong. So when his native twang shows through, or when the boom dips into view, or when her speech starts to betray its adaptation from the play, I think to when we opened cold on the rain-dark gutter running gold, with the neon of a drugstore sign, and I'd read into the blazing line, forget the ink, the milk, the blood, always washed clean with the flood. We rose up from the falling waters, the fallen rain's own sons and daughters, and none of this matters.